Clint, Cluff Mechanical. Hey, we're over here at one of our jobs. It's a new construction house. Now, I just want to show you some of the stuff that sets us apart from our competition. So this is a house that we're working on. It's a brand new construction house. What we see on the floor is our layout. We have those Y branches that are going to different areas of the house. We have our cans insulated, cut, getting ready to go up tomorrow, or actually next week. Our dryer vent, there's a recessed dryer vent. The reason we use a recessed dryer vent is because there's no kinks in the line. So it's actually inside the wall. It's actually inside the wall. So when you hook up your dryer, you actually slide this in. It actually slides in the top. You can hook it up there. So as you can see, I put an elbow there just to show you, but we're gonna have a solid piece of pipe. But it actually, you drive it to the bottom, and it actually attaches inside the wall. That helps so that you don't have any kinks in the structure. Exhaust from your driver on the blades and stuff. Exhaust is a lot easier, so you have an extremely lower chance of a fire. Back inside the house, one of the things I want to point out is sometimes it's the little things that set the contractors apart. We have a 2x6 backing. This is where our thermostat's going to be. We drilled a hole through the back so that when we actually mount our thermostat, we have solid backing behind it so that later it doesn't fall off the wall and you got ripped off. So we have backing right above it. It's very important. That's what we call a pigtail. That pigtail is for later, or if there's more wire needed, you can actually just pull it through the wall without having to rerun a new wire. It goes up through, goes on top plate. And then we have it bundled up, ready for attaching in the attic later. Get it up on the roof. Another thing I wanted to show you is we're using 18 gauge 8 wires. Now they're buying a system that's not necessary for all 8 of those wires, but we spend a little bit of money now. If a homeowner later was to upgrade that system to that needs more wires for the system, a multi-stage system, it's already running, so that you wouldn't have to pull new wire through the wall. Over here in the front of the house, as you can see, we've got some vents that James is getting ready to run, going up and attaching. We're running what's called an R8 Silver Flex. It's an upgraded flex that has even more insulation. And as he's going through, he's going to actually strap that so it's level. I'll run a video later about how and show you the importance of having it up there around level so that everything flows good. So that's it for now. I'll do another video a little bit later to show you some of the progress that we're making, show you some of the stuff that we're doing so that you can see some of the little things that matters, even if you're not going to have us do your air conditioning, some of the little things that you're going to want to look for whenever someone's doing your house, because it's very important for you to do that now and know about it now before it gets later in the process, and then you have airflow problems, you have filtration problems, you have infiltration problems, stuff like that. So it's very important to know some of this stuff. Thanks for watching.